Hi everyone. This is a skirt for my middle-aged sisters. It's a 3-story, 1-story, 2-story building. 3 floors up here is a dress with a glue back. And down here it's chopped and dipped. Then today, I would recommend this dress to my sisters. With this model, I wear it. Maybe it's like the model I'm wearing back. Shirt. I wear this with my shirt. It was polite to go out. For my middle age. If not, I can wear a t-shirt. It's okay. And now we will start getting into the part. I made it for this dress. Now, let's get started. Well, with this dress, body before and body after, I will be a little different. So when I design 2 bodies up here and I'll make adjustments. The first step is that I will cross a line. Let me define the line across the waist. At the waist here, I will be the waist. Divide by 4 and add up. Ben's big is here, so the waist here is 64 divided by 4 plus Ben. It is 18 ha. Ben, I took 2 inches. From out here. I'm going to go into a segment that's 18 centimeters. And then you're going to get the lower part of your ass. I'm going to get my ass down here. 18. The number 18 is not the same. It is different for a 1 meter tall person. 1 meter year until 1 meter 6, you take 18 and 1 meter 6. If it is larger than 1 meter 6 to 1 meter 7, you will get 19. People taller than 1 meter 7. I'm going to take 20 and I'm going to put this down. Then I'll cross a line. Next is my ass. Ass horizontal here is equal to ass divided by 4. 1. Let's say 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I got 21. And then I'm going to hook this up here. You will take it down. Here's the length of the skirt. This dress will be at the calf level, so you will get a 65 or 70, depending on the height of each person. Then I will paint. If you have the dress box here, you will. Here I'm drawing 32. I took bataha. After I finish doing it, the body, down here part. Here, you're down a little gas. A centimeter gasoline and I split in 2. You're going to come down and give me a piece. Its length will be equal to 12 to 16, depending on your ass. High buttocks, low buttocks, we adjust accordingly. And right here, you're going to tear it apart. A segment is for inches. This is the back of the dress. And with this dress, as you can see, it will be divided into 3 parts. The 2 parts above are equal. I'm going to get my ass here. It's 18. Then continue here and you will get me 18 ha. Here you get 18. Then I passed by. Then we'll get the first piece. The second piece is the third piece. After that, you guys are done. I'll give you the afternoon. The width of this dress, more so that I may pull out the dip. I'm going to expand it here. I also pull out here. You also take this angle wide. That's when you open up with this dress, they withdraw money. There are many hips, so it is. I split a couple. The width at the bottom is 20. This is equal to 20. In this corner, you are also 20. Up here, you're raw 10. I'm going to split this part. This piece connects here. You look at the whole of your dress. This piece is up here, a piece. This is the second piece. And this is the third piece, and I'm going to have 3 pieces. In the case that you guys, there are other measurements like my ass. I got 80 here, but I have a butt measurement of 100. You're going to replace the number 100 here. Let me get another number I drew here. Well, it's the same. You will weigh according to the height of your body. Let's take the bottom line and make it fit. And the same for the part. So here I am, I have 64. If you have a different line, let's say 70. You can change the number 70 here. Then you divide yourself by 2 Ben. This is not the number 18. It will be another number. Remember to note this place. I finished the body first. With this dress. The body behind it is the same as the body before. Well, it's just different here. I'll check the zipper. Zipper bottle. So this is it. That's where the back is. The road above the original road. I came up with 2 meters of gas. You're going to hook it up here. Hey, connect it to this place and change it. Turn the ruler. Give me this corner. It's important. This angle, you can adjust. Let me be a perpendicular line. Let me make it right. Let me make it right. And then the part. You guys push it up. Then the back and the back will adjust. Then later when I'm Arab, I'll adjust the back. But about the back of the body. This part is the same as the previous body. So when I cut Arabic, I'll cut Theo. Common for 2 bodies. Then I'll make adjustments for each body. And you see here. If you like this model, I haven't figured out how to be lucky. How is it? You will have a comment below. I'll see the comments if I get 10. Request this dress sewing guide. Then I will. Cut and sew directly on the fabric for the sisters. If you know how to be lucky. Gaping needs. If you have instructions on the cloth, you will know. If you come here, remember to give me a like. My sisters. Now I cut the body. Body before and body after. First, it will follow a straight line. It doesn't follow the curve. So I'll cut the big road out front. It's the red line of the back body. And then I cut through this part of the butt. It's equal. Hey guys, I want you to notice the S here is the butt of the body before the +1. My ass is here, you have to. +2 if you don't. That's the S later. It will be tight if you wear it, so it's this ass line. The body before it will be smaller than 1. But in the back, remember me. It's 1 more road. Yeah, the back of the body, but it's going to get a tight ass. So I put glue in here. Remember to cut it back. And then I'll cut this way. Next, cut this way. I cut it on paper, so I can flip it back and forth. If you cut on the cloth, I can't flip it. I have to leave the part. Let it rest on the cloth for me to cut. And down here you'll cut it for the live stream. Then, this is the part you see. Arabic has just been done. That's the same piece of the back. Then the body will have another piece, wider than a fraction. Here, you'll get your mark back. Mark this place. Mark this place. And then after the seal is done, you're going to flip this part out. Give me this way. Break this road. When you are married, we will. It's going to be the back of it. A piece like this. Here's the second piece and the third piece. And because of the body, I later had a zipper. You remember when I said no? So I'm going to put a ruler. Come in. Let it be perpendicular. Put it in. Then you'll put this perpendicular line. This will be the back. We'll check the back zipper later. So you will multiply it by 2 pieces. And when you do it, I put it on the cloth. Remember that there must be a seam. It's because of this brick that I don't have, except for the seams. And I've also numbered here. For example, you hit this number 1 right hip. I hit this so I know. I put the road into it. Here's number 2. So when you number them, you draw them out like this. I put it back together and I know it's mine. It's joints. And here's the back. The shit is done. Now I'm going to move on to the part. The next one is the back. From here, my back is for inches. Yes, you will too. Let's break this back. This is the back. That guy out. He's cutting it. You cut it out there and finish the back. I'll put the body back together later. I left my back here. Now you take the body first. The front part here. In the front of this, I'll leave it. This part of the road. And I also cut the road. That's the front body. Well, the back part of the body also has a ben-eo part. So here I am going to cut off the part. His back in front of him goes down. And then this piece of back you're cutting off. You put this back here. Put it in. Then I'll take the back of the body. This way, this is the zipper bottle. And this place is double. Here, you fold it up. Put it on. Put it up like this. You will get the back of the dress. This is the zipper bottle. And the back of the skirt of the back. You will also reduce the fuel. It's because the 2 fuel bodies behind it have to lower my waist so that I can put your back in, and it will. For the back of the dress, here, it's going to be a double cloth. And this is the odd piece for us to look at. Zipper this corner. That's the back of the dress. The body first, you will. Look on the side. We may pull the breast slightly. Then we put it in the body. Down here, we pull out the breast slightly. We put it in the body. The next body will be different from the first. The back is to pieces, but the front is here. It will be double cloth. You can cut it out normally. This will be a double layer. Then that is. We just finished the dress for the A. This is a dress. If you like the style, or what information do you need, please let me know, and remember, like it, ladies. Like to support the channel. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.